Good evening to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about reaction intermediates. What is the reaction intermediates, sir? Short-lived, high energy, highly unstable, highly reactive. Those are formed in the organic reactions are called reaction intermediates. So again repeat. Short-lived, high energy, unstable, short-lived, high energy, reactive. Those are formed in the course of organic reactions. Is called reaction intermediates. There are various type of reaction intermediates are there. The first one is free radical. What is free radical, sir? Homolytic cleavage of covalent bond to form a free radicals. Simply, homolysis of a covalent bond results into the free radical intermediate possess an unpaired of electron. What is the definition of free radicals, sir? Odd electron species or single electron species. Single electron species is called free radical. Or one more definition. It is an uncharged intermediate in which an uncharged intermediate which has is a uncharged intermediate which has three bond pairs and unpaired electron is called free radical. Generally, homolytic cleavage is formed by the presence of sunlight. What are the favorable conditions of the homolytic cleavage? Okay, what is the homolytic cleavage? The bond may break in such a way each fragments can take away from the bond to form free radicals. What are the favorable conditions for the homolytic cleavage? Presence of peroxide, organic peroxide, presence of temperature, that is sunlight, heat energy or electricity, presence of free radicals, etc. Here it is generated in the presence of sunlight, peroxides at high temperature. If you take alkyl halide, simply RX by homolytic cleavage, alkyl free radical and as well as halogen free radicals. Now this free radicals are classified into various types. That is primary free radical, secondary free radical, like that. Okay, what are the characteristics of free radicals? Characteristics. It is a neutral species and as well as a uncharged species. Free radicals are electrically neutral and they are highly unstable. They are neutral species, highly unstable. And they are short-lived, highly reactive due to the unpaired electron. It is short-lived. They are short-lived and highly reactive due to the unpaired of electrons. Thus, it can undergo sp2 hybridization. The shape of the molecule is trigonal planar. Okay, here you can observe, if you take a methyl carbo, this is a methyl free radical. This is the trigonal planar. The paramagnetic nature due to the unpaired of electron. The number of electrons in outermost shell in carbon free radical 7 electrons are there. The hybridization is sp2 hybridization which undergoes sp2 hybridization trigonal planar. The number of electron pairs of the carbon 7 electrons. Okay, these are the characteristics of free radicals. Still one more point is there, that is when this free radical reaction, what is free radical reaction, sir? You can observe here when chemical reaction which occurs in the presence of heat, the chemical reaction occur presence of heat, that is greater than 500 degrees Celsius. Presence of heat, that heat is more than 500 degrees Celsius, and electricity, heat, sunlight. The chemical reaction which occurs in the presence of heat, electricity or light, peroxides, radicals is known as a presence of organic peroxides or free radicals is called free radical reactions. Reaction involving free radical reactions are three types. The first reaction is a reaction between two free radicals. Reaction between two free radicals to form neutral molecule. To form neutral molecule. For example, if you take Cl free radical combines with Cl free radical to form Cl2 molecule. Methyl free radical combines with methyl free radical to form ethane. Methyl free radical will be these two are combined to form a. This is the one property, one reaction. We take one more reaction here. Second one is the reaction between free radical and neutral molecule form a formation of another free radical. Reaction between free radical and neutral molecule leads to the formation of another free radical. another free radicals. For example, if you take here, when methane combines with chlorine free radical to form methyl chloride and hydrogen free radical. And finally, one more reaction is, that is a free radical after losing a neutral molecule forming another free radical. A free radical after losing neutral molecule forms another free radical. For example, if you take here acetate free radical, which can be converted into methyl free radical plus carbon dioxide. It is a free radical after losing of a neutral molecule and forms forming another free radical. This is methyl free radical. This is information about what is free radical and as well as characteristics of free radical. Thank you.